If you're like me, you've got $45 in an old Ford. Let's see what we can make it do. Hello and welcome to the channel. I am Chris. This is Dirty Trucker 08. And like I said, if you've got $45 in an old Ford and an Amazon account, I didn't include that, you can make your lights look a whole lot better. If yours is like mine, kind of a budget build, a little bit on the grot side. Marker light here, kind of nasty. I tried cleaning it. This thing is old and cracked and just it's gross. But $45 on Amazon gets you a box. Looks just like this. Comes right to your house. I'm going to show you what's in it. And as you can see here, all you need is a screwdriver. Mine are all Phillips. This is the old one that is just all sorts of nasty. And then you got your new ones here. And look at how clean that is. That is going to look way better on the old truck here. Let's throw them on. Plug your light in. And 2 screws, Bob's your uncle, and you're done. Now the rear will be exactly the same process as the front. Just 2 screws, reattach your light to the new one after you've disconnected it from the first housing, and you should be good to go. If you're like me, you're going to drop a screw. If you're not working in grass, they're easy to find. This particular Amazon purchase also comes with the taillight covers. Same as the sides. 2 Phillips screws, at least Phillips on mine, and they should come right off. So as you can see here, this is the light that the lens that came out of the truck. This is what came in the kit. It's literally just the outer lens. This is all one piece. It's glued together. Now I've got a couple options, and I'm going to have to sit here and think about what I want to do. I can either cut off, I can take my Dremel and just kind of come around here on the edge and literally just right at the red, just cut it off and then glue this on. Maybe a little bit of silicone or something around the edges to make sure it's watertight. Or I can get online and try and find a whole taillight housing. I'm not sure which way I want to go. I'm going to have to check that out. Weigh my options a bit. But I think overall, this is still a pretty good kit. Those new markers on the side look way better than the OEM ones. The OEM ones were faded and cracked, and that one was just full of nasty stuff. And this kit with the 6 lenses was still cheaper than just a pair of lenses from another seller. So I don't think I'm hurting too bad. Either way, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I will see you next time. Thanks for hanging out.